Hello. So I'm trying to test to see if I can record the screen while I'm using Clip Studio. If you have been watching my channel for a while, well, I rarely update nowadays, but like if you have been watching, maybe you do realize that I always use my phone and then just like record to the screen of my laptop, and I do understand that it will make it much harder to see. So I decided that I want to try to use some sort of a screen recording app just to show more clearly, and maybe when I'm talking, it will be more clear as well. And yeah, basically, this is my current project now. So it is for my graduation project. And while I learned how to make manga in my school. In the end, I decided to make some sort of animated comic because, well, before I do try to make webtoon a number of times, but uh, since I have done it many times, and then now I'm just feeling like I want to try something new. So in the end, for my graduation project, I want to make some sort of animated comic in my YouTube, and it will be a bit different, from the videos that I already make so far. Because maybe you realize that I only make the videos for like 1 minute or even less, and it's mostly like in more GB style. For my graduation project, of course, I'll be making a bigger kind of project, so it will be a 10-minute video with like more a better drawing, I guess. And yeah, pretty much that's it though. So this is just a little spoiler. I'm still still making the animation and stuff right here. And my plan is that I'll be finished with it at around January. Well, of course, I still need to make a flyer and stuff to like, to make the project because in my school right now, like if you're not making a comic, like you can also make a video animated comic, like I do, making a video, and some others are making like games or making merchandise and stuff. If you want to make it like that for now, like they told you to like make some sort of flyer, so it's not only the video, but you need to make a flyer as well in relation with it. And which is why I decided that, like maybe I want to get this done by January and then start to focus on the flyer. And in the flyer, of course, I'll be, like also explaining like how I'm making the videos and stuff with some, what some simpler comics, something like if you ever read a manga, maybe at the very last page, usually there's like a short comic with much simpler drawing usually, where the author, the mangaka will just send some message to the readers, about the updates or whatever. So I'm going to make the flyer in that kind of style, but also like showing in the screen like how I make the sketch and how do I make the everything moves like this sort of. Yeah. For now, I'm making only the outline. Of course, it will be colored in the end. So just wait a little bit more, and hopefully, if I don't procrastinate much, like I can get things done on time. And thank you for listening so far. And yeah, I mean, this is kind of why that I'm not really making much videos nowadays. Like I'm just really busy with this thing. So for me, it's kind of hard, if I have to make this graduation project, which is a 10-minute video, and also at the same time uploading on like weekly basis other kind of projects. But maybe if I do eventually can find a time, maybe I'll try to like like at least make like very short simpler videos. And I just feel like because like growing up I've always been making the slice of life thing, uh since I'm in webtoon, and I kind of want to try something different, which is why I kind of want to try making animations of the hamster one. Yeah, of course in the future I will try to make more content about it, but for now I just want to focus on this thing.